Hello student, am I audible? Okay. Okay, write some question on theory paper. Practical almost completed. Next practical class will be on Friday morning. Okay. Uh, which section do you need revision? Organic, inorganic, or physical? Anyone? Which section do you need revision? Organic, inorganic, or physical? Organic. Organic. Okay. So some revision on organic. First write the some explanation type question. Explain. Number 1, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is more reactive than aryl halide towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Number 2, Grignard reagent can be prepared under anhydrous condition. Number 3, phenol is more reactive than benzene. Number 4, nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Number 5, aldehyde is more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. So write this question. First, alkyl halide is more reactive than aryl halide towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the reason? You know, in alkyl halide, if you consider the alkyl halide, the CX bond, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. So this bond is carbon atom sp3 hybridized means less electronegative. So due to lesser electronegativity of carbon atom, the CX bond is polar and it has single bond. But in aryl halide, the carbon halogen bond acquire partial double bond character due to resonance with benzene ring. Take chlorobenzene or iodobenzene or bromobenzene, they undergo resonance with benzene ring, and due to resonance the carbon halogen bond acquire partial double bond character. Partial double bond character means the bond length will be shorter and it is difficult to break this bond. This is one reason. Due to shorter bond length. Why shorter bond length? Due to partial double bond character of carbon halogen, and this is also due to resonance. Another factor, in chlorobenzene মানে aryl halide, the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized carbon atom is more electronegative than sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So due to greater electronegativity of carbon atom, CX bond become less polar. So in aryl halide, the carbon halogen have double bond character and carbon halogen bond has less polarity as compared to alkyl halide. So aryl halide is less reactive than alkyl halide. Okay. Hello student, understood? Hello? Understood? So next question, Grignard reagent can be prepared under anhydrous condition. Why Grignard reagent? What is the formula? RMgX. It is prepared by treating alkyl halide RX with magnesium in presence of ether. Alkyl halide RX reacts with magnesium in presence of ether to form RMgX. Now this Grignard reagent reacts with water to form alkane. So it must be prepared under anhydrous condition, because if any water molecule is present, then as soon as Grignard reagent is produced, it reacts with water to form alkane and another compound. So we cannot be obtain Grignard reagent. So it should be prepared under anhydrous condition, because Grignard reagent reacts with water to form alkane. Phenol is more reactive than benzene. What is the reason? Phenol is more reactive than benzene. This is because if you draw the resonance structure of phenol, you observe that due to plus R effect of alkyl group, the ortho and para position of phenol become more electronegative. That is, OH group is a electron releasing group. It release electron towards the benzene ring. So pi electron density will increase in benzene ring. Due to increase in pi electron density of benzene ring, the ring is activated, because greater electron density at ortho and para position. Now, so an electrophile can easily attack at this position as compared to benzene. So phenol is more reactive than benzene. So OH group has plus R effect. It is the electron releasing group. It release electron towards benzene ring. So the pi electron density of benzene ring will increase, making ortho and para position more electron dense. So ring is activated. So an electrophile can easily attack at this ortho and para position. So phenol is more reactive than benzene. This is due to increase in pi electron density of benzene ring. Thus ring is activated. Nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why? Because NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group. OH group, NH2 group is the electron releasing group, whereas nitro group is the electron withdrawing group. So it withdrawn electron from the benzene ring. If you draw the resonance structure of nitrobenzene, you will observe that at ortho and para position there is partial positive charge, that is less electron density as compared to benzene. So due to electron withdrawing group of NO2 group, the pi electron density of benzene ring will be less as compared to benzene. So ring is deactivated. Since ring is deactivated, it does not generally undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. Aldehyde is more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now if you consider the reaction mechanism, say এটা হচ্ছে aldehyde, R C H double bond O. in presence of a nucleophile Cn minus, this pi electron shifted to oxygen atom, making carbon atom positive charge, oxygen atom negative charge. This nucleophile can attack at positive center of carbon atom to form R, CH, Cn minus, O minus, Cn O minus. Now, so the nucleophilic addition reaction is favored by positive charge on carbon atom of carbonyl group. Greater the positive charge on carbon atom of carbonyl group, greater will be reactivity. Now, if we consider this is the aldehyde, or what is the ketone? This is ketone. Now, here only one alkyl group is present. Here two alkyl group is present. So, the plus I effect is more in ketone than in aldehyde. Due to greater plus I effect is release electron towards carbon atom, making the positive charge on carbonyl carbon is less. So, due to presence of two alkyl group which is plus I effect, which has plus I effect, they release electron towards the carbon chain. So, positive charge on carbonyl carbon will be reduced, and due to presence of two bulky group, there is greater steric hindrance as compared to aldehyde where only one bulky group is present. So, the nucleophile can easily approach to aldehyde as compared to ketone. So, aldehyde is more reactive than ketone because aldehyde have lesser plus I effect and lesser steric hindrance as compared to ketone. Okay. Hello student, understood? Hello? Understood? Now write the next question. Write the next question. Complete the following equation. Complete the following reaction. Number 1, CH3O, CH3, CH3 plus HI. Number 2, C2H5 OH concentrated H2SO4 and 140 degree centigrade. Number 3, C6H5 CH3 CrO2 Cl2 oxidation. Number 2, water H plus. Number 4, CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus BH3 arrow upore H2O2 OH minus. Number 5, CH3 CO CH3 ammonia. Okay. What will be product of the following reaction? What will be the product of the following reaction? This is an unsymmetric ketone. Now, this portion during the reaction with HI, if this portion dissociate to form CH plus and this minus, then this is the tertiary carbocation which is most stable. Then tertiary carbocation attack the iodide ion. So, product will be CH3OH plus CH3 whole 3 Ci, CH3 whole 3 Ci. Okay. Concentrated sulfuric acid heat. This is the, now heat, you note the temperature 140 degree centigrade, not 170. Here intermolecular dehydration take place, that is 2 molecule water, 1 molecule water is eliminated from 2 molecule alcohol to form an ether C2H5O C2H5 plus water. This is the what is the formula of this toluene. Toluene reacts with chromyl chloride and hydrolysis. What is the name reaction here? This is known as Etard reaction. So toluene oxidized by chromyl chloride form benzaldehyde. The product is benzaldehyde. Here this is propene reacts with B2H6 or BH3 to form tripropyl borane, which on hydrolysis give propan 1-ol. Antimarconic addition of water molecule to give propan 1-ol. এর সঙ্গে আজ যেটা তৈরি হবে boric acid H3BO3. Acetone reacts with ammonia. What will be product? Acetone. What is the formula? Acetone reacts with ammonia to form anyone. What will be product? When acetone reacts with ammonia, what will be product when acetone reacts with ammonia? This will be diacetone amine. Two molecule acetone reacts to form CH3C, CH3 NH2, CH2CO, CH3 diacetone amine. Okay. Now next question, convert the following. Convert number 1 toluene to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Number 2 phenol to salicylic acid. Number 3 formaldehyde to acetaldehyde. Number 4 formic acid to acetic acid and vice versa, মানে acetic to formic. Number 5 aniline to chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. Aniline to chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. And last number 6 phenol to toluene. Phenol to toluene. Okay, you have to convert this following: toluene to benzyl alcohol, phenol to salicylic acid, formaldehyde to acetaldehyde, formic acid to acetic acid and vice versa, aniline to chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene, or phenol to toluene. So first one, toluene to benzaldehyde. What is the formula of toluene? Benzene ring উপরে কি হবে CH3, toluene to benzyl alcohol. Then one of the hydrogen should be replaced by Ether reaction and a reduction. Okay, this may be possible. You Ether reaction or benzaldehyde, then a reduction called benzyl alcohol. This is correct, and you can follow the another method. Toluene reacts with chlorine at 110 degrees centigrade, side chain substitution to form CH2Cl. এবারে aqueous NaOH কি হবে তোর CH2OH. Cl is replaced by OH, so CH2 OH. Okay. So first convert toluene into benzyl chloride by heating chlorine at 110 degrees centigrade. Now this Cl is replaced by OH by aqueous KOH or aqueous NOH. Or you can perform the ether reaction CrO2 Cl2 water H plus. তাহলে কি হবে তোর বেঞ্জিয়ালডিহাইড, বেঞ্জিল রিং উপরে CHO. Now reduction by sodium borohydride, it give benzyl alcohol CH2OH. Okay, you can follow any one of the method. Now next, কি ছিল জানো? এরে মুছে দিলাম তো। এনিওয়ান সি দ্য নেক্সট কোশ্চেন। টলিন টু বেঞ্জিয়াল হলো, তারপর কি ছিল রে? এনিওয়ান রিপিট দ্য কোশ্চেন। phenol to salicylic acid. Okay, what is the formula of phenol? You must perform the Kolbe reaction. Phenol to salicylic acid. First you add NaOH to form sodium phenate, ONA. This reacts with carbon dioxide at 420 Kelvin 6 to 8 atm pressure to form an addition product COONA. These undergo rearrangement to form OH. আর এখানে হচ্ছে COONA। এখানকার হাইড্রোজেনটা এখানে আছে, এটা এখানে চলে আসছে, মানে সোডিয়াম স্যালিসাইলেট, এটা একেবারে ডাইলিউট HCl। তাহলে উপরে কি হচ্ছে তোর OH আছে, আর অর্থ পজিশনে COOH। দিস ইজ স্যালিসাইলিক অ্যাসিড। ওকে, নাও নেক্সট কোশ্চেন। এনিওয়ান? কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 3, অ্যানিলিন টু ক্লোরোবেনজিন আর ফ্লোরোবেনজিন আছে, তার আগে কি ছিল যেন একটা formaldehyde to acetaldehyde. Okay, what is the formula of formaldehyde? HCHO. Acetaldehyde, that is step up reaction. What you do? You first reduction by NaBH4, তাহলে মিথানল হয়ে গেল। নাও PCl5, তাহলে CH3Cl। নাও অ্যালকোহলিক KCN, প্রোডাক্ট হবে CH3CN। হাইড্রোলিসিস অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড CH3COOH। PCl5 অ্যাসিটাইল ক্লোরাইড CH3COCl। Now Rosenman reduction, hydrogen PD BaSO4 quinoline, acetaldehyde CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. So first you start from formaldehyde, reduction give methanol, PCl5 করলে CH3Cl, কারণ অ্যালকিল হ্যালাইড হলে আমি স্টেপ আপ করতে পারবো বাই অ্যাডিং KCN, CH3 সাইন। আচ্ছা বলছি এটা পরে, এটা একটা ফার্স্ট মেথড বলছি। CH3CN, now PCl5 CH3Cl, then Rosenman reaction. This is one method. And another method is formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr, হাইড্রোলিসিস, তাহলে মিথানল। এটা আরও শর্টকাট মেথড হয়ে যাবে, এটাকে এবারে কপার দে আর 300 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেড, তাহলে ইথানল। ওকে, এটা হচ্ছে ইথানল, দুটো স্টেপই হয়ে যাচ্ছে। সো দিস ইজ। আচ্ছা নেক্সট কি? ফর্মিক অ্যাসিড টু অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড অ্যান্ড ভাইস ভার্সা। formic acid to acetic acid and vice versa. So what is the formula of formic acid? Formula of formic acid HCOOH, acetic acid. So you reduction by lithium aluminum hydride. Only this reagent convert acid to alcohol. Methanol. Now এক নম্বরে PCl5, 2 নম্বরে KCN, তাহলে একবারে করে দিলাম CH3CN। এবারে হাইড্রোলিসিস H3O প্লাস, তাহলে হয়ে যাবে CH3COOH, অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড। ওকে, তাহলে ইউ স্টার্ট ফ্রম ফর্মিক অ্যাসিড, on reduction it give methanol because only lithium aluminum hydride convert acid and ester into alcohol। এবারে PCl5 দিলে CH3Cl, তারপরে অ্যালকোহলিক KCN দিলে কী হবে? সায়ানাইড। না, সায়ানাইড হাইড্রোলিসিস গিভ অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড। নাও রিভার্স, মানে অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড টু ফর্মিক অ্যাসিড। হোয়াট ইউ ডু ফর অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড টু ফর্মিক অ্যাসিড? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা অফ অ্যাসিটিক অ্যাসিড? স্টেপ ডাউন রিয়াকশন। অ্যামোনিয়া দিয়ে হিট কর, তাহলে CH3CONH2 অ্যাসিটামাইড। এটা হফম্যান ডিগ্রেডেশন, Br2 আর KOH। what will be product? CH3NH2 HNO2 nitrous acid alcohol। primary amine on treating with nitrous acid give alcohol। এবারে অক্সিডেশন, স্ট্রং অক্সিডেশন, KMnO4 H প্লাস, ডাইরেক্ট অ্যাসিড হয়ে যাবে। প্রথমে ফর্মালডিহাইড হবে, তারপরে ফর্মিক অ্যাসিড HCOOH। Hello student, understood? Hello? Okay, now aniline to chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. Aniline to chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. What is the formula of aniline? Benzene ring, upure NH2, first diazonium salt NaNO2 oblique HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade। benzene diazonium chloride, benzene ring upore N2 plus Cl minus। now hydrolysis, now Sandmeyer reaction CuCl oblique HCl, it gives chlorobenzene। okay, for fluorobenzene Sandmeyer reaction, then you answer করো Balsimer reaction। সেটা কী দিয়ে রিয়াকশন করবো আমরা? নট CuCl HCl বাট HBF4 দিয়ে, HBF4। the product is N2 plus BF4 minus। this when heated it gives fluorobenzene plus N2 plus BF3। so this is the only। কেন? So this is known as Balsimer reaction, very important reaction। benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HBF4 to form N2 plus BF4 minus, which when heating give fluorobenzene। so aniline to chlorobenzene and aniline to fluorobenzene। and last one, phenol to toluene। anyone can guess how will you prepare phenol to toluene? what is the formula of phenol? benzene ring upure OH, first you convert into benzene, zinc dust or heat, it form benzene। now Friedel-Crafts reaction CH3Cl or anhydrous AlCl3, the product is toluene। okay, hello student, understood? hello? okay, So you must practice the organic syllabus for board exam only from the new syllabus. You can omit the deleted portion, and within shortly you should submit your practical copy. Okay, you must submit your practical copy as early as possible. Those who have not yet submitted a project copy, they must submit both project copy and practical copy. Date was as early as possible, say from within next week, 20th January, it will be better. Okay, bye.